Since the day humanity first discovered this massive, freezing world, exactly one of its years has passed. 165 Earth years. Think about that. While we went from riding in horse-drawn carriages to launching quantum computers into space, Neptune has completed just one single trip around the Sun. But that is not even the craziest part. During this one, agonizingly slow year, we discovered that Neptune completely breaks the laws of known physics. We are talking about supersonic winds whipping at 1,300 miles per hour, skies that literally rain solid diamonds, and a dark side emitting far more energy than it receives from the Sun. Scientists at NASA are genuinely baffled. How can the coldest planet in our solar system have the most violent, energetic storms? The answer is hiding deep beneath its clouds. To understand this, we need to step back. Neptune was not actually found using a telescope. It was discovered in 1846 through pure mathematics. French astronomer Urbain Le Verrier noticed that Uranus was being pulled by the gravity of an invisible ghost planet. When telescopes finally pointed to where his math predicted, boom! There it was, 2.8 billion miles away. A stunning, blue ice giant, locked in the frozen outer limits of our cosmic neighborhood. But this is where things get strange. Because when we finally got a closer look, nothing matched our calculations. Welcome back to Deep Space Secrets. Stay with me here, because what I am about to reveal next about Neptune's darkest moon is exactly why thousands of you are joining our community every single day. If you want to uncover the universe's greatest mysteries, hit that follow button right now. You won't want to miss this. For over a century, Neptune was just a blurry blue dot. Then, in August 1989, NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft made history. It flew within 3,000 miles of Neptune's North Pole. Scientists held their breath as the first high-resolution images beamed back to Earth. Instead of a dead, frozen wasteland, they saw a hyperactive atmosphere tearing itself apart. They found the Great Dark Spot, a storm the size of Earth. But as Voyager 2 looked deeper, it found an anomaly so severe it triggered a debate that rages in the astrophysics community today. Neptune is generating its own mysterious, massive heat from within. By the end of this video you will understand just how weird this is. The leading theory: diamond precipitation. Because the atmospheric pressure is roughly 100,000 times greater than on Earth, it crushes methane gas into solid diamonds. Millions of carats of diamonds are constantly sinking through the planet's liquid mantle, creating immense friction and heat as they crash toward the core. It is a beautiful, violent explanation. But it does not explain everything. But here is where it gets crazy. Fresh data shows the math still does not add up. Diamond rain alone cannot account for the sheer violence of Neptune's supersonic winds. And then, there is Triton, Neptune's largest moon. Triton is orbiting Neptune backward. It is the only large moon in our entire solar system to do this. Scientists now believe Triton isn't a moon at all. It is a hijacked dwarf planet from the Kuiper Belt, held hostage by Neptune's gravity, and it is slowly spiraling inward, doomed to be torn apart. This leaves scientists divided. Is Neptune's bizarre excess heat caused by an ancient, massive planetary collision that still burns inside its core? Is it the friction of diamond rain? Or did the violent capture of Triton warp the planet's internal magnetic field? I genuinely want to know what you think. Drop your wildest theory in the comments right now. Is it a hidden collision, diamond rain, or something we haven't even thought of yet? I will be replying to the most mind-bending answers below. What you are about to see changes everything about how we view the galaxy. We used to think Earth-like planets or gas giants like Jupiter were the standard. But as our telescopes peer into deep space, we are discovering that ice giants like Neptune are actually the most common type of planet in the entire universe. Neptune isn't an outcast, it is the blueprint. If we cannot understand the violent physics happening in our own backyard, on a planet that has only completed one orbit since we found it, it challenges our very understanding of the cosmos. This affects how we see our place in the universe, proving just how fleeting human history really is. But humanity isn't giving up. Just recently, the James Webb Space Telescope turned its golden mirrors toward Neptune. It captured the absolute clearest, most breathtaking images of Neptune's ghostly rings we have seen in over 30 years. Seeing those glowing bands of dust and ice hanging in the dark void of space was a profound reminder of why we explore. And the story doesn't end here. The global scientific community is mobilizing. NASA and the European Space Agency are actively drafting plans for a flagship mission, the Uranus and Neptune orbiter. Imagine sending a nuclear-powered probe to dive through the diamond rain, or a lander to touch down on the icy, geyser-erupting surface of Triton before it gets completely destroyed by Neptune's gravity. We are on the verge of a golden age of outer solar system exploration. The anomalies that baffle us today are the scientific breakthroughs of tomorrow. But this isn't the only cosmic mystery hiding in the freezing dark. What if I told you there is a massive, invisible force dragging our entire Milky Way galaxy toward an unknown destination? Or that the James Webb Telescope just spotted something inside a black hole that should not exist? We are uncovering these impossible truths next week. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, 165 years is just a single drop in the ocean of cosmic time, but in that time, we have learned to reach for the stars. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next transmission.